Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys, I am going to play Bloxburg because we all know I love Bloxburg. It's so fun. So yeah guys, I love the game. I love Bloxburg. Meow, meow, meow. Make it a bit bigger for you guys so you guys can see a bit more. Bit bigger. There we go. Okay, so guys, I'm loading on game right now. So yeah. Do you want to go to work? Nah, I haven't got a lot of money just to spend it all on this bike and on this. This was 200. Bloxburgs. This one was 800. That one cost me a lot. Wait, hold on, I gotta go on home. Oof, I've got no bills. Okay, I don't really know what to do really. I'm pretty happy in my home. It's pretty small, but I don't care. I don't care how small it is. Ooh, keep doing that. That's possible to get. Okay, let's get that light. Because, you know, we need to get a kid. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go up. Okay. Let's turn the light on. Let's change the picture. Maybe change it to, let's change it to my room. I'm gonna search up my room. My room, yeah, I like that. Well, I mean, it's really thin. Let's change it again. I like the my room. Don't end. Ooh, that one's cool. I like that one. Okay, Lauren's room. Enter if you dare. Bye. Okay, I'll just stick with that. Pretend my name's Lauren. No, my name's Evie. Ew, we're stinky. We need to have a shower. When did we last have one? Probably like weeks ago. Down. We need to go downstairs and have an apple. I think we should have an apple. Yeah, let's have an apple. I'm bored. What should I do now? Let's get a kid. Let's go. ABC for a mum. It's like no one wants a mum. What about this guy? Let's see whether or not he wants me to build his house. Hi, Jack. Want me to build? I just donate him some money. Donate him 20. Because I'm kind. I think he kind of needs it for his house. I'm gonna go back to my house. I mean, my house is okay. It's not amazing. But you know. Waterfall blends in too much. I'm gonna change the color of it and make it blue. And then the sprayers, they're okay. Wait, no, we don't want to go in there. We're gonna go with my super speed. OMG, what's her house like? Okay, let's go get a mum. Well, this is a nice house, I guess, kind of. Okay, maybe not this house. Need to pick someone with a nice house, good quality house, because you know me. Yeah, because reasons, I don't know. We're just gonna go get a nice house because I'm bored. Okay, there's some big houses over here. Fingers crossed they're like ones that I can... Ooh, is that a basement? Please say that's a basement. Wait, what is that? Is that really a basement? Is that not a big basement? No, I'm stuck! I'm stuck! That was a bad idea. No! Okay, guys. I'm gonna reset and okay, see you once I've reset. Guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Please do give a like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys all next time. Good. Bye! And guys, comment down below what other videos you want me to do. BYE!